Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Had probably the best camp spot so far, also the warmest. Camped here with Tim, who I met last night. A fireman from California, actually. Now we're packing up. He's heading north and I'm heading south, so I got some info on the route going south, and we're gonna see if we can make it to Missoula today. It's quite a ways away. Get on the road and see where we end up. Left the campsite, back on the main road. I discovered that my microphone placement on the highway still does not work, but I think it sounds okay for low speed. Next stop is Pierce, which is about 80 kilometers. And then it's called the Lolo motorway. That takes you into Missoula. Dirt road that takes you through the high mountain pass, but apparently it's closed. So there might be a highway bypass. Hopefully it's not. We've got the warmest starting day yet, 11 degrees right now. Well, I did not expect that. Bear, elk, moose, but not perhaps my next dinner. See ya. This loose gravel is sketchy. What do you guys do with the dogs?
We're running the bear right here. We got a few out.
Oh, they chase the bears?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. They're certainly excited.
Yeah.
See you guys. There you go, using dogs to find the bears. Seems unfair. You guys stay there. This is Pierce. Got some gas, now to get some food. Apparently the place to eat is Chubbies. Chubbies it is.
1 hour later.
Well, the Lolo motorway, which is the dirt road taking you to Missoula, has closures on it. And so rather than risk it, there's a bypass that the route suggests, which is just on the road 237K to where there's another dirt section. So that'll be a couple hours on the road, and then we'll probably be in Missoula tonight. I won't be able to talk at speed, so we'll chat again on the other side. Okay, I'm probably 100 plus kilometers from Missoula. Just stopped at the Luxor Lodge for fuel. 31 degrees, a little warm. There is a dirt road that starts in about 10K. So I'm going to peel off on that, and so who knows how long that'll take me. So I'm probably not getting to Missoula tonight. So we'll see if I can find a nice spot to camp, and then we'll be in Missoula tomorrow. So far it's been pretty decent road like this. If it stays like this the whole way, that'll be alright. Lots of twisties though. Up on a ridge right now. We're pretty high up. This This road's got some whoop-de-doos, so it's fun. Okay, home sweet home, methinks. About 30 kilometers from Missoula, so I figured might as well camp one more night. I'll get a hotel tomorrow and get myself organized, cleaned up, shower properly, laundry. Now just gonna set up my tent, make some food, probably have a quick little dip in this little creek and clean myself off, and then that'll be it, and hit the hay. It was a long day on the highway and then a pretty good little dirt road to finish up. So, and tomorrow, let's go check out Missoula. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.